In this video, I will show you how simple it is to book a service with Home in One. Let's start by selecting our service. Now, enter your service address and click Search. Great, let's personalize your service. Want to know what's included with your service? Happy with the price? Let's continue. On this step, we are going to create an account or continue as a guest. Fill out your personal information. Check this if you want same address of your billing. Do you have pets? Upload a photo of your pool. Select your requested service date and time. We love to hear about how you found us. Enter the discount code if you have one. Your payment information, it's completely secure. We guarantee it. Agree to terms of service. We know it's too long, we don't like the legal part either. Select Book Now. We take care of the rest.